Okay, we are going to do a cooking video, and this cooking video is going to be called Sharon's Pot Pie Special. And the reason for that is because the lady at work named Sharon, hi Sharon, gave me this recipe. It's real easy for a pot pie that you could just throw together, and it doesn't take much prep time, okay? And this will be my first time doing this. I'm doing it with my lovely granddaughter Deja. And, okay, what you're going to need is 2 pie crusts, okay? A bag of mixed vegetables. You want to do your chicken, okay, is on you, but make sure the vegetables are frozen, okay? This right here is the grilled and ready breast strips, okay? And she said 2 cans, well, we have jars of gravy, okay? So this is chicken gravy, okay? And all we're going to do is we're going to move this out the way. We have our oven set. You can, I turned it up a little bit. It was 350. I put it on 375, okay? So what we're going to do here is, oh, and we're going to need a fork.
I don't want to rip it.
Oh, hold it. You got to be gentle because I had to let this thaw out because I accidentally put it in the
freezer.
Yeah, there it goes.
Oh, you don't want to rip it?
No, because we wanted a whole piece. So we're going to unroll it gently. Unroll it, yeah. There we go. And I bought this, I know I showed you the container. Yeah, And we're going to lay it right there. We're going to, yeah, place it down in there. And we're going to make sure that, yeah, our little tops come over. We're going to get it all the way down, because if it's over a little bit, then we're going to push it down some more so we can have, yeah, be nice and crust. We want to use all our crust. Oh, don't do it over too much because we need it over to seal it. But I just didn't want it to hang over too much where we have to cut it. Right. So we're going to put our vegetables in here, mixed vegetables. Spread it around. I think we need a little more. We need some more. Okay.
That's it?
I don't know. Okay, put a little more. Okay, there we go. Okay. So that'll be it. Then we're going to take some chicken.
And this smells really good.
We're going to break it up some. Because some of these pieces are big. Okay. Okay. Well, you dropped it. The dog then got it. Okay. Now she said 2 jars. I don't know. Okay. We're going to open one.
What's that? Oh, that.
This is the chicken gravy. Okay. And it looks like this, people. Okay. You're going to pour it all over here. Mm-hmm.
The whole jar?
The whole jar. Oh yeah, we're gonna need another jar. Okay.
We got 2.
Yeah. Okay. Woo, people. Cause it's gonna, yeah, cause we're gonna need it to sink in there. Yeah. While it's cooking. Or was he supposed to put it on the bottom first? I don't know. Okay. We gonna live and we gonna learn. Okay. So now we're gonna open up the. This is what it looks like so far.
Second package.
Get it, shake it a little bit so it can, yeah, it can ease on down. So the second package we're gonna take and we're gonna put that on top. So, and we're going to stick it in the oven. But first we're going to put, stick holes in the top of it. Do it from the bottom. Yeah. Just let it, yeah, there we go.
So we, just put it on the top.
But yeah, get it spread out first. Yeah, now we got to get to holding it. Okay. So now we're gonna put it on top, and we're gonna do it a little because we want to get the edges, because we're gonna have to seal this. So it may not fit over there. Yeah, no, it may not fit perfectly, is what I'm saying. Okay, that's okay. Yeah, there you go. So if it doesn't fit perfectly, that's fine. We want to seal it, okay? Ooh, it's squeezing out too.
Yes, it was.
Ooh, so we're gonna put
do a little. You know how every pie has that thing.
Yeah, but we gotta. You know how to seal it? We're gonna press this.
Oh.
Okay, so you do that around the whole pie. Press it good. Don't press it lightly. Yeah, you try to seal it. Yeah, there we go. Okay, and then you turn the bowl so you don't have. You turn it towards you. There you go. Do it at the tip of the fork. Yeah, do the tip. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, people. There we go. That's right. Keep it on. Turn it around towards you. Okay. There we go. And let me see that. Okay. And we're even going to fold it over because we don't want to waste no crust. There we go. Okay. So now what we're going to do is she's going to stick holes in them. Oh, yeah. No, you gotta stick the holes. You want holes to go all the way through. No, let me show you what you do. You create a pattern. Like that. You can, you know, to make it look pretty.
I kind of didn't want to mess up the bottom, make all the juice squeeze out.
Well, we got juice in it. No, it's not going to go through the bottom. If you feel it, it's not going to, you're not going to stick it through the bottom, but you're going to feel it go through. You want it to go through. I can feel the meat. The fork hitting the meat.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now that's going to allow the air to come through too. Okay, right? We're going to take another pan. We're just to be on the safe side. We're gonna, let's see if we have foil, because we can't get some foil.
I saw some foil somewhere.
Right here, I put it up here. Okay, we're gonna take a we're gonna take some foil and we're gonna put it on the inside the oven, so if this stuff leaks, okay, it spills over, we're fine. Okay, show them the pie. Can you show them the pie? Get a closer up view of the pie. Okay, that's what it looks like. All right, see, she trying to be funny. Oh, hell no, okay? She said she trying to be funny, drop my pie. Okay, so now we're gonna put it in here and we're gonna let it bake for like 50 minutes, okay? Till the top is nice and brown, golden brown. Ooh.
Yeah, now I can't wait to eat it.
Okay, now we're gonna have to pull this out because it's not going in there. I'm gonna have to pick this up. We'll come back when it is finished, okay? So stay tuned. Okay, people, here's my finished product. She sure looks pretty, okay? And it's all nice and even and cooked. Smells good. Looks good. Now we're going to see if it tastes good, okay? And I just wanted to come in and let you know that I actually, I said on the cooking time was 50 minutes, but depending on your oven, you're going to have to adjust your time. I actually left this in about an hour and 15 minutes because my oven is kind of a little funny there, so I had to make sure that it was evenly cooked. It looks like it's evenly cooked. So now we are going to dip in. Oh, and then I let it cool for a minute. Hopefully it's cooled down, but I'm just ready to dip in. Okay, so let's see what she's looking like when we dip in and everything. Okay, and I am just going to use a spoon. Let's see. Oh, matter of fact, oh, here we go. I have this like a cake cutter thingy. Okay, there she goes. Woohoo! Now you can make your own pie crust. Okay, of course, you know, if you know how. I know how to make pie crust. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Ooh, child. You can see she's still a little hot there, but oh, it smells good. It smells delicious. Ooh, I can't wait to taste it. Hold on. I was gonna use a fork, but I'm using a spoon. I know my lighting's off because of the kitchen. We're in the kitchen. But this is good. Okay. Okay. It's got the Anna seal of approval. I give it a thumbs up. This tastes just like pot pie that you would buy in the store. You don't have to add any seasoning, okay, unless you want to. But that was it, okay? So thank you, Sharon, for a recipe, because I'm taking this to Milwaukee with me. And we finna go down, okay, on some pot pies. Hope you guys like this vlog, this cooking vlog. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more. Don't forget to thumbs up this video. Don't forget to leave any questions or comments that you have about this recipe down below. But most of all, stay blessed. Bye.